What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to do a air filter on a 2005 F150. It's going to be the same for an 04 to 08 F150 with the 4.6 or 5.4 liter. If you're new here and want to learn how to repair and maintain your vehicle, starting out by dropping down, hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell. So an air filter on these trucks are pretty simple. I'm just going to give it one wrench. I'd give it no wrenches, but that's not how I'm going to do this. We're going to give it one wrench. No tools are required. I will link an OEM and an aftermarket air filter down in the description, so check that out. And also down in the description, I'm going to put a link for my video that talks about the impacts of a dirty air filter, how to inspect the air filter, and when I recommend changing it. So at the end of this video, go and drop in the description at the link, or I'll have a link to at the end of the video as well. Step one is to pull the hood release. Under the hood, you'll see the release goes towards the driver's side. Next up is to locate the air filter. Inlet air is coming in this way. It goes through and down into the engine. So your air filter is under here. Release these two tabs. Right there's the air filter. Take your old filter out. And that's what it sits in. And you want to throw the old filter away. Here's a new filter. The foam here you want to have up so it'll seal. Slide it in. Just like that.